Chiang Mai hosts Grand Art and Music Festival to close September. Chiang Mai Province, in collaboration with the Tourism Authority of Thailand, TAT, is organizing the Chiang Mai Art and Music Festival to stimulate the local economy. The 10-day event runs from September 20th to 29th, 2024. On September 21st, 2024, Mr. Weerapong Ritrod, Deputy Governor of Chiang Mai, officially opened the festival at Thapae Gate on behalf of Mr. Nirat Phongsitthitaworn, Chiang Mai's governor. This event, as part of the IGNITE Thailand campaign, aims to promote tourism within Chiang Mai, elevating Thailand as a global travel destination. The festival will feature 10 days of music and performance art under the theme Music Hopping, Harmony and Art Performance. Key locations in Chiang Mai, such as the Thapae Gate, Three Kings Monument, Maya Mall, More Space, and Dusit D2 Hotel at Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, will be transformed with art installations and projections. Highlights include 5 must-experience activities. 1. Must-taste, discover local food and drinks. 2. Must-try, explore Chiang Mai, collecting unique souvenirs. 3. Must-buy, enjoy special promotions on local goods. 4. Must-seek, experience unseen aspects, especially music hopping. 5. Must-see, enjoy live music, concerts, and art performances. Top Thai musicians such as Buren, Thapae, Jennifer Kim, The Toys, Mean Nunu, The Richmond Toy, and Season 5, along with legendary band Carabao, will perform throughout the festival. Local Chiang Mai artists will also participate.